In this video, I'm going to show you how to add products with serial numbers and imei and Gadgetkeep. So for those of you who are not familiar with the app, Gadgetkeep is an inventory management software for tracking products for people who sell gadgets and electronics. So when I go to the dashboard, that is when you've created an account. If you're new, you can just create, you'll see an option to sign up here. So because I have an account, that's why I'm seeing this dashboard. So from the dashboard, you click products. Now this is supposed to display the list of all the products you have on the app. Currently, we can see there is no product right here. So I'm going to add my first product. Now to add the first product, I'll click add product at the top by the right hand side. And this is going to bring up these three options. Now you can add the product as an inventory product, serialized products, or service repair products. An inventory products are products that are tracked by their quantities. Serialized products are products that are tracked by their serial numbers and imei and other unique features. So for this particular tutorial, I'm going to add a serialized product. I'm going to select serialized from this option, and then because we do not have any products on the list, I'm going to create a new one. Now on the create tab, you'll see the form to fill in the product details. The first thing we have to fill in here is the product name. So I'm going to add iPhone 15 Pro Max 256 gig. SKU, that's the stop keeping unit, is optional, so I'm going to leave it blank. The category is going to be iPhones. Because I do not have any category, I'm going to create a new one. So I'll click the create tab, and this is going to bring in a form where I can fill in the category name. This is going to be under iPhones. And then for the brand, this is also going to be under Apple. Now for this product, I'm going to choose a 1-month warranty. I do not have a 1-month warranty here, so I'm going to add it. First thing is the warranty name, and then second thing is the warranty duration. So I'm going to choose 1 month and leave the status as active. Then I'll create warranty. This model name is optional. I'm going to include the cost price and the selling price. So 900,000, and by 25%, this is what I'm getting. So I'm going to save this product. Now this is going to bring up another form where I can fill in the serial number of this product, the imei1, imei2, the color, condition, opening stock, and then I can still leave the warranty at 1 month. So for this one, I'm going to use any serial number here. And for the imei, I can use any of these. Okay. Now the imei2 is optional. The color, I can use black. Is used foam, and I'll go ahead and save this. So this is going to bring up a form where you can fill in the serial number and the imei of another product of this particular model. But I'm going to close this, and now when I refresh from the page, we have iPhone 15 Pro Max 256 gig. Now when I click action and view, you can see the serial number, the imei, and the status, color, and the condition of this particular iPhone here. So if you find this video helpful, please click like and subscribe. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to make sales using Gadgetkeep.